We work for 18 social housing companies within the West Midlands, and that's covering roughly 600,000 houses plus.
We use Rioned jetters on a regular basis, mainly for general blockages, unblocking of sewers, root cutting, extensive descaling. The units themselves are absolutely brilliant. They're just so easy to use.
I always feel that when we send one of our vans out to a job, that the Rioned jetpacks will not fail or let us down.
When we can use the remote controls, we can actually do a lot of work by ourselves safely.
The tank capacities on the Rioned, I have two 300 litre tanks bolted together.
This unit does 14 litres a minute, something like that, around about 3,000 psi. So it's absolutely perfect for what we need, absolutely perfect.
Efficiency is a big thing with Draintech Services. Rioned is probably the best on the market, I would say personally, and we wouldn't look at it getting any other jetters.